In this video, we can talk about top 5 Pipedrive alternatives.
Welcome to our video on the top 5 Pipedrive alternatives. If you're in the market for a new CRM software and considering Pipedrive, but would like to explore other options, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 alternatives to Pipedrive and compare their features to help you make an informed decision. First one is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM software. It offers features like email marketing, sales automation, and a robust CRM system. The software provides excellent customer segmentation capabilities, and its easy-to-use interface makes it an ideal option for small businesses. Second one is Freshsales. Freshsales is a cloud-based CRM tool designed for small to mid-sized businesses. Its features include lead management, deal management, and advanced reporting. It is best known for its lead scoring system, which ranks leads based on their behavior and demographics. Third one is SharpSpring. SharpSpring is another all-in-one marketing automation tool that comes with a robust CRM system. It offers features like lead scoring, lead nurturing, and email marketing automation. The software's standout feature is its visual workflow builder, which enables businesses to build custom sales processes that align with their sales pipeline. Fourth one in our list is Insightly CRM. Insightly CRM is a cloud-based CRM software designed for small businesses. It offers features like project management, contact management, and sales automation. Its standout feature is its integration with popular business apps like QuickBooks and Dropbox, which makes it easy for businesses to manage their operations in one place. Fifth one is Monday.com. Monday.com is a project management software that is also great for managing sales. It offers features like customizable pipelines, collaboration tools, and task automation. The software is best known for its flexibility and ease of use. Compared to Pipedrive, ActiveCampaign is more focused on marketing automation, while Freshsales offers a more comprehensive sales solution. SharpSpring is similar to Pipedrive in terms of sales automation features, but it also offers advanced marketing automation capabilities. Insightly CRM offers more project management features and integrations than Pipedrive. Finally, Monday.com is a project management tool that also provides sales management capabilities. If you're looking for an all-in-one CRM solution that offers both sales and marketing automation, we recommend SharpSpring is the best option. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which CRM software is right for your business. Thank you for watching.
Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.